How to customize donation page on Zeffy. Once on your Zeffy dashboard, you're going to tap on campaigns from the left-hand menu option. Once you have done that, you can select the donation page that you would like to edit. So for example, this donation page, we're just going to tap on edit. After doing that, you have numerous options that you can select from. For example, if you would like to change the title, you could tap on title and you could change the title right here. Then you'll select next, and you can also change the target amount. And there are numerous other options you can select from. You could add in a description. And when it comes on to adding description, as you can see right here, this is one of the template suggestions that I've used. If it is a case that you would like to add in your own, you can simply delete this option and you could add in your own. After doing that, you can also change the color of the campaign. At the moment, it is set at yellow. Let's say I would like to change it to a mild green. I could select green right there, or better yet, light blue. Then we'll tap on next once more, and we'll select save changes. After doing that, if you would like to replace the banner image with one of your own, or if you like to add a banner video, you can select video, and you'll be able to add your YouTube video URL right here. So you could add in a video URL. Or you could simply tap on upload banner and you could upload your own banner. But for now, I'll skip that. After doing that, you can also upload your logo by tapping on upload logo. And I'll just be adding a random image for this example. So let's say, for example, this image right here, I'll be using it as my banner. So I'll tap on save. And you can see it has been added right there. Better yet, as my logo, and I'm going to tap on save changes. Then we'll select next, and from here you'll be able to edit the suggested donation amount, and you can also fill in some details that will show the persons that are about to donate what the donation amounts can do. And you'll tap on next, and you can also customize the questions, and that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.